social media efforts stack up against your competitors or other businesses like yours, and how they measure up against the big guys. Well, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can compare yourself to any business using Maybe. When you log into Maybe, you'll be taken straight to your Maybe dashboard. That's the screen we're looking at here. And you'll see a series of boxes across the top. But underneath those boxes, on the left-hand side, you will see a series of weekly reports for your business. And on the right-hand side, you will see the same stats for any business that you wish to compare yourself to. So what we've got here on the left-hand side is the social media posts of an independent shoe business. And on the right-hand side, they have chosen to compare themselves to a massive brand, Gucci. You can change your comparison business at any time by clicking that change box. You simply type the name of the business in. Maybe will work its magic and you will now be presented with the social media accounts of the business that you want to change to. Simply tap that and you'll be given the option to compare to a new business. So comparing yourself is all about learning what works in terms of the social media content that you're posting. You can see how you rank among other businesses, what followers you've got, what followers they've got, the number of posts that have been created, how much engagement, that's those likes, comments and shares that they're getting. And you can then see those engagements broken out by per post or per day. There's a whole series of reports for you to explore and compare yourself against. And they really give you a great understanding of what's working for you and what's not working for you, but also how the best in class are doing it. So if you know that there's a business that you follow on social media that you just wonder how on earth do they do that, why not add them as your comparison conversation up here and see what's working for them. The other area of Maybe which you will find super useful to add a comparison conversation is in the content calendar. Now, the content calendar is where you can schedule all your social media posts across Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, including Instagram Reels. And you'll be able to see exactly what content you've got going out at any given time on any day of the week. But we wanted to take it another step further. So as you can see at the top of that screen, straight away, you've got the compare button again. So we will just make sure that that's still set to Gucci and exactly the same process as you followed on the dashboard. Click that one. And now what will happen is underneath your own content calendar, you will see the content calendar for your comparison brand. And this gives you another layer of detail. So for instance, the dark blue that we're looking at is Facebook, the light blue Twitter, and the purple Instagram. So you can see at a glance where your comparison business are focusing most of their social media efforts. If it's got a little star on the post, that tells us it is a best performing post. You'll be able to look at things like what time they've posted, how much engagement things have got, to really get an understanding of what is working for competitors. And as I said before, you can change the comparison on the dashboard or here to any business of any size that you like.